everybody, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a couple days since I've been on to recording. I've just been busy with work and I've just been really tired. I'm working on a couple things, so yeah, I'm just gonna come on here and do a little getting ready with me. I got this, the MAR ColourPop palette. I'm gonna do a look with it, and I got this highlighter, Super Shock Cheek. It's really pretty. So I'm just gonna come on here and do a little kind of getting ready with me and just catching up on things. So let's look at this palette. It's really pretty. It's nice summery colors. Summer's almost over. Yes! I'm so excited for summer to be over because I'm not a summer person. I'm not a spring chicken. I'm a fall girl. I love the fall. I love everything to do with the fall. I'm just gonna do my eyebrows like I usually do. Sorry, my nose is all red. I washed my face off because I had makeup on during the day, and then I wanted to kind of have a clean canvas for you guys, even though like I've been crying, I have not. So I'm gonna take my AOA Studio Sculpt Brow Pencil in the color Dark Brown, and I'm going to do my eyebrows. I have a few things in the works that I am working on, and when it comes out I will let you guys know. It's really exciting, at least for me. I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Creamy Beige, and I'm going to clean up my eyebrows. I really like this AOA Studio brow pencil. It was only $1 from Shop Missy. I'll link it down below in my description box. I actually bought a whole bunch of these because, again, they're really good, and for $1, can't go wrong with these. Okay, so next I'm going to take my Scented Eye Primer and put it all on my eyelids. So I'm gonna go in with colors on the back. Colors are on the back of this. M504 brush in the color Bougie right here. Put it all over my eyelids because it's a natural color and want a natural canvas. So yeah, I'm excited because I just passed 300 subscribers, and like I was saying, it took me forever to surpass that. And I think I'm gonna do probably 2 giveaways, a small one and a big one. The big one will be more for back to school and for me passing 300 subscribers, so look out for that video coming up. I'll probably have it by next week. I'll have that video and the prizes and everything ready for that, because I love giving back. That's just like something that I've always done and how I've always been. I don't know why. El Rey is this dark blue color right here, and I'm going to take, I have a BH Cosmetics 103 brush and a Morphe 210 brush. I think I'm going to try the 210 brush. Let me just, and I will tell you, these are this is my first ColourPop palette. I did order some more ColourPop stuff, so I can also do a ColourPop haul video. I think I'll do that too. I want to put it in my upper crease. Okay, so the next color I'm going to go in with is the middle color. It is called Gridlock. It's kind of like this tealy kind of color. I'm going to go right under the crease with it, just a little bit, just to like kind of blend it with the El Rey. And I'm going to take my Morphe 504 brush to do that. Wow, these colors are really pigmented. Like I said, I've never used any ColourPop palettes or anything, but I keep hearing everyone talking about them, so that's why I bought this one from Ulta. And then again, like I said, I bought some other products from. Okay, so what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna take this concealer and I'm going to try to cut my crease a little bit. I'll let it dry, because if you don't, then it will stick up to my eyelid, and I don't want that to happen. Okay, so the next color I'm gonna go in with is, I think, either Highway, this color down here, or maybe even Wild One. I don't know. I might go in with two. Okay, so let me clean off my brush and let me swatch this color. That is Highway. This one's Wild One. Ooh, Wild One's pretty. And then this next color is Detour. I think I'm gonna do Wild One and Detour. This one is Wild One. Are very pigmented, very beautiful. So far I have to say, ColourPop, you have delivered, and you have delivered very well. And I'm gonna go into the color Detour on the other side. Oh wow. And then I'll blend them together as I go. These colors look really pretty together. I really like this palette. I've had this palette for a few months now, and I have not used it, so that's why I was like, I'm gonna use it. Blend a little bit, so where's that? I'm gonna blend a little bit of these two colors together. Because I don't want it so harsh. Kind of blend the whole thing. Nice, I had concealer right there. Kind of like a sunset look. Kinda, I don't know. I would definitely give this palette a 10, a 9-10. Fallout is not that bad. The colors are very vibrant, and I do like this look, this overall look. I'm going to come off camera and finish up this look. I'll be right back. Hey guys, my look is done. I finished it off with some lashes, this ColourPop Super Shock Cheek in Flexitarian 19D4. I don't know, just this color, Flexitarian. And on my lips, I put this Stila Sheer Patina color. And I used this new blush that I got. It's from City Color Collection Matte Blush in the color Blossom. I really like this color. It's not too bright. Looks really pretty on. So yeah, this is my look I completed. I don't know about the lashes. What do you guys think about them? I think they're too curly. About these lashes. Let me know in the comments below. But overall, this palette, I give it a 9, 10 out of 10. There's not a lot of fallout. The colors are really nice too. So ColourPop, this is my first time ever using a ColourPop palette, and I definitely do recommend this palette. I do love the colors, the array of the bronze, the blues, the greens, the teals. It has like, it's a very warm palette to me with a couple cool tone colors like the blues. So yeah, I do like this palette a lot, and I will be using it again to make a different look. These lashes though, I don't know about them. They look too curly. Look at side profile. I don't know. Whatever. If you have not, please like and subscribe to my video, ring my bell, and I'll see you guys later. Bye everybody!